Welcome to the Croatian Voice, the news program from Toronto, Canada. This is your host, Željko Todorić. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Greater Toronto area is perhaps one of the most entertainment-oriented cities in North America. All kinds of events, festivals and parties, especially during spring and summertime, are taking place. Multicultural or ethnic festivals are particularly popular, starting with widely publicized Caribana Festival to less known Bloor West Village Toronto Ukrainian Festival, Corso Italia Festival, Brazil Fest, or perhaps Carassauga Festival of Cultures, which takes place in Mississauga, a city in Greater Toronto area.
Carassauga is the largest multicultural festival in Ontario and second largest in Canada. This is a festival which doesn't celebrate only one culture or a specific geographic region, but it encompasses the widest selection of ethnic groups around the world who chose Canada as a new home. As for the Croatians, we traditionally make our presence at Carassauga every year. With a total number of 64 countries represented at 26 pavilions located throughout the city, the Carassauga Festival 2011 was, according to its organizers, especially successful this year. Around 300,000 visits were recorded during the three-day event, which started on Friday, June 3rd. How many of those 300,000 visitors were Croatians? Not sure. However, we at the Croatian Voice were among them. We had visited the Croatian Pavilion twice over the weekend. In addition to the Croatian Pavilion, which was located at the Hershey Center, we had visited some other pavilions such as African, Canadian, Ukrainian, Polish, Jamaican, Turkish, and Chinese. As usual, there was plenty of food there, plenty of music, lots of Croatian souvenirs and cultural artifacts at display. Here you could see ancient Croatian gusle instrument, peasant flute, tamburica, national costumes, nicely decorated visuals and paintings on the wall. Also, a big and beautiful map of Croatia and Bosnia-Herzegovina, representing different Croatian regions with corresponding cultural artifacts, was assembled on the floor. One could see, for example, the model of Međugorje Church, the gusle instrument or a wooden jug representing Croatians from Herzegovina, or licetarsko srce, a decorated heart baked from bread dough, symbolizing the capital city Zagreb and its surrounding area, Hrvatsko Zagorje. Also, we saw Tvrtko Klobuchar in the pavilion. He was busy showing his artwork to numerous visitors. Tvrtko is a young Croatian artist, currently a teacher of visual arts at York School Board in Ontario. His paintings, mostly done in watercolor and ink, represent major cities in Croatia. 10 Croatian folklore groups participated in total over the three-day festivities at the Hershey Center. However, we at the Croatian Voice watched 3 groups only. 2 of them, Kralj Zvonimir from Norval and Vojislav Lsinski from Mississauga, performed tamburica music, while the third one, Zlijemo, also from Mississauga, entertained the audience with a variety of Croatian folk dances.
Croatian Folklore Society, King Zvonimir, in Croatian we say Kralj, in English it's King. Zvonimir was established in 1985 at the Croatian Franciscan Center in Norval, Ontario, and is named after our famous Croatian King Zvonimir. The group is made up of 140 members, and their goal is to spread wealth of Croatian culture through song and dance. King Zvonimir members are actively involved in the events of their parish, the Queen of Peace in Norval, Ontario, where they sing and play for all great celebration. The group has performed at International Day in Borden, Ontario, and also participated in Tambura Fest in Ottawa, as well as visiting the Croatian folklore group Kardinalska Peanuts in New York and Croatoan in Ottawa. Kings Zvonimir will be performing 6 songs for you this afternoon. Please join me in welcoming Kralj Zvonimir from Norval, Ontario, under the leadership of David Bajari. Zvonimir from Norval, Ontario. Our next group is from Mississauga, Ontario as well. Please welcome Vatroslav Lisinski. In 1979, Father Ivica Kecrin from Croatian Martyrs Parish, together with Mr. Ivica Štefanec, founded the Parish Tamburica Orchestra Vatroslav Lisinski under the auspices of the Church of Croatian Martyrs in Mississauga. Vatroslav Lisinski has created an environment where many Croatian youth gather to socialize and learn to play Croatian folk and non-folk music. The orchestra has already traveled 4 times to Croatia to participate in festivals such as the annual Folklore Festival in Đakovo, Slavonia, Croatia, and each experience was unforgettable. Vatroslav Lisinski looks forward to promoting and expanding the Croatian culture for years to come. They are taught and led by Emil Mesic. Please join me in welcoming Vatroslav Lisinski from Mississauga.
Yes.
Also, Slobodna Krijala, a local Croatian music band, provided evening entertainment with a variety of popular Croatian songs. In short, we had a good time at the Croatian pavilion. Beside the obvious food and music, the educational component of the event should be emphasized as well. We have learned more about foreign cultures as well as the Croatian one. It gave us a new appreciation not only for the wealth of Canadian multicultural mosaic but for our authentic Croatian culture as well. As for the Croatian parish folklore group Slijemo from Mississauga, which was responsible for organizational activities at the Croatian pavilion, they should be congratulated for the job well done.
This is the end of our news report. Thanks for watching. God bless.